Welcome to Port Berton.
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Palm trees swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all
Hello
night.
guys, we're here at Port Berton. We're going to the Coconut Beach.
Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance,
Kami lang
dance
yung
in
sakay
the
ng
summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet.
This is Port
Sun and
Berton.
sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Yan si Kuya. Kuya. Welcome to Port Berton. We're going to Coconut Beach today. Kasi sabi ng mga locals dito, medyo maraming box jellyfish and at the same time, medyo maraming mga niknik sandflies, no? So, mas maganda daw dun sa Coconut Beach. So, pwede kami mag-swimming doon hanggang mamayang hapon. The time is 11:45. So, mga 15 minutes yata yung guide pupuntang Coconut Beach. So, stay there until later. See you!
Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling.
We're here at the Coconut Beach. So, mas maganda yung sand dito. Sobrang puti. So, parang Boracay. Lamba.
Sun and sand